Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to speak about e-commerce and what is happening with the market these days. In particular, I want to talk with you about voice, because voice becomes more and more integrated into our lives. We can see Amazon, Google and Apple, they all pushing their smart speakers into the market. But the question is, will we shop with the voice? One of the reasons why big companies are pushing us towards the voice, just because it is very convenient for them to make sales just listening to us. Voice can recognize what you're talking about and can pull out the shopping list for you even before you think about this. And for us it's easier because we can do things faster. Let's look at some numbers. A recent study by Amazon shows that about 45% of purchases within the next 3 years will be made with a voice. The purchasing process itself is quite complicated and it has 4 stages. Stage number 1 is discovering awareness, the moment when you become interested in something and you ask Google or Alexa or Siri to search for it. Second stage would be research and evaluation. So that is a stage where you ask for alternative solution or for alternative product, or maybe you're searching for a better price. Next stage is the purchase stage. So that is a stage where you do the deal, so where you click or you say order. And the latest one is the post-purchase stage. It is when you want to check out the status of your order, or you want to track your delivery, or you want to get in touch with the customer support, or even leave feedback for the item which you purchased. There are different scenarios on how people are willing to buy using voice. For sure, voice will help to start the interaction, and in most of the cases people might be willing to finish also with a voice. But still, there are some scenarios which have about 20% probability we will combine different shopping scenarios. The top reasons why people are willing to shop with a voice is because it is easy to use, it is faster to shop, it has some kind of novelty of it. Voice is equal opportunity for everyone, so meaning that having no visual experience, people will get orders with no preference for the brand or product manufacturer. Especially that would be true for the products such as foods or toiletry. Does it mean that voice will replace other purchase behaviors? Probably no. Technology is not there yet to provide stable and reliable transaction. Also, there is a question about data privacy, security for those transactions. In further videos, we will speak about the downsides of voice. See you in the next video.